What's up, everyone? It's your boy Stan with Stanley's Reviews. After a long week and working in the sun, rain, thunderstorm, having to do this deck over and stuff of that nature, is finally done. And I'm gonna actually do a rundown of exactly all the pitfalls that I went through and all the equipment that I use and all the equipment you should use. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below about anything in pertinence to this deck. And the reason I went for this color is because it obviously black matches the trim of the house. So we wanted to change that. And I made it look much better, much more aesthetically better. It's no longer an eyesore. I revived the deck. After I revived it, I decided to paint it black. So let's get into the video further. Let me show you guys what I got going on. And there's a few products as well I'll leave in the description below if you guys are interested in getting them to help make your deck situation much better if you're interested in that. And also, this is the last part of the deck video because there's no more deck improvements to be made. Everything is complete. So let's go. All right, guys, first and foremost, these are the stairs. As you can see, painting your deck black, you have to pretty much water it down and wash it very often because it gets quite dusty and dirty, because that black is very revealing. As you can see, all my banisters are painted and also my lattices are painted. I was able to put back the old composite deck boards in the front where they were before. So that's pretty much all the lattices here. Let me get rid of this box so you could see the sides. And this box is the table box, by the way. I will be leaving the link for the table in the description below. That's the other side of the lattices, to be honest with you. So, and look at how cool the banisters came about. Banisters came out super crispy clean. Was able to put everything back where they belong. And now we're gonna get onto the deck in itself. So that's the deck right there as I'm walking on. As you can see, it looks amazing. And I was able to get furniture for it as well. If you're interested, I'll leave the links for the chairs and the table in the description below. Also the umbrella as well, I'll leave that. And I already did a review on this umbrella, to be honest with you. It's a solar umbrella. It has lights inside of it, so it looks awesome. And obviously the pads that actually holds it together, I'll leave all of that in the description below if you're interested in getting you some. I do feel like the table's a little bit small, so I might upgrade that, get a bigger table, but for right now it works. It still fits 6 chairs, which is 6 people, of course. And it obviously has an umbrella hole in the middle that's actually plugged in because I don't need it because of this big bad boy over here. And this is pretty much the deck. There's no longer any white spots on the deck besides dirt that you may see on there. And that's how it came about. Put in quite a lot of work to get it to this point. This deck was 15 years old. And if there's a few things I would change about the process, it would be to get a professional paint sprayer. That way I could cut a couple days out of the whole deal and made it much easier on myself than using a staining pad and brush and stuff of that nature. So yeah, that's definitely a buzzkill, but to say the least, it turns out awesome. There's a few, spots I oversprayed or overpainted over. For example, over here, as you could see on the siding, I could scratch those off very easily. I'll be working on that very soon. Those are the other sides of the stairs to go down on. And I put my hose reel back together. I have to finish this rock area here. Put some more rocks. And that's the lattice. This is part of the equipment that I use, a brush and the paint sprayer that I did use to get it to where it needs to be. The lattice was very easy to paint because I was able to use a paint sprayer of some sort. However, those wood slats on the floor was the toughest part. The sun was beaming on me. It was very hard to do. And also a day or two after I started painting the floor, it rained, and the thunderstorm rain actually ruined part of it. If you look, I'll actually leave that video as well. If you look out there, you'll see that I have a video that states that my paint job was ruined. So I had to go over it again with one more coat. And normally when you paint a deck of that size, you like to do 2 coats to actually get the deck paint, the deck correct to fully adhere to the wood. So now everything's completely done. You could see the deck correct is completely married to the wood. It will take a long time for me, if I wanted to get rid of this color on the wood and get the original wood back together. So before that, the deck wasn't painted. It wasn't even stained. So the sun was beaming on it. It looked very ugly. And that's what I was talking about in regards to any little thing makes the deck look dirty when you paint it black. But now it looks amazing. It's a place for us to chill. All my friends can come around and hang out and chill. We could light up the grill, enjoy ourselves out here, and not have to worry about how awful and how bad this look. And I need one more suggestion from you guys. I'm trying to see if I should put lighting at the bottom rails, or if I should just leave it that way so it look amazing at night, even though I have a great pole light up there. But I think I should just make it a little bit more neat by adding the lighting. So let me know what you guys think about that. And that's pretty much the project in a nutshell. I hope you guys enjoyed this video series. This definitely tested me in every way, shape, or form that you can think of. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't hesitate to comment, like, and subscribe as well. I need subscribers. I need you guys to grow this channel. Enjoy, guys. Have a great day. Peace.